Almost a third of Texans who called the National Domestic Violence Hotline in the first half of last year reported economic or financial abuse. That information comes from a report by the nonprofit Texas Appleseed. KMR Local 4's Steffi Lee reports on a new state law that will help survivors stuck in debt because they were either pressured into it or it happened without their knowledge.
I was the type of person that if I didn't have the money for it, I'd save the money for it. Like, I'm just not one to use credit cards.
So it was a shock when Cheryl learned that her ex-husband opened up 20 credit cards, either under her name or with her as a co-signer without her knowledge.
I ordered the credit reports to get ready to be able to get student loans and stuff. And all of a sudden, what I thought would be like 3-4 pages came back as, inch-thick files. Waking up and basically finding out that I was bankrupt without realizing it.
Her attorney, Carla Sanchez-Adams, says it's been tough for Texans in these situations.
And that can impact not just getting a loan, getting a car, transportation, which may be sorely needed, but also, housing, employment.
But a new law will allow Texans in these cases to get a police report that requests that consumer reporting companies block information stemming from identity theft.
In order to get that block, you have to have an identity theft report, which includes a police report. The hope is that now they can get those protections and remedies available to traditional identity theft victims.
It's not just men that do this to women, it's parents that do this to kids, it's wives that do this to husbands. It's all different situations. Like, anybody can experience this.
Cheryl hopes this will help other survivors know the law is on their side.
Don't feel like you have to drown by yourself.
In Austin, Steffi Lee, KMR Local 4 News.
This law goes into effect on September 1st. Meanwhile,